I used to have the shoe leather jerky blues until I found some tender slices with the best reviews. Jeff's famous jerky, made with real steak. Jeff's famous jerky took away my heartache. Sweet teriyaki, I'm telling you for true, it sure took away the shoe leather jerky blues. He's got a whole lot of flavor coming out of that vault. Don't miss black pepper and sea salt. I want some Jeff's famous jerky, that's how I feel. Got to get me some of that orange peel, habanero heat wave. I'm telling you, it sure took away the shoe leather jerky blues. So many more flavors, to get a clue. JeffsFamousJerky.com, that'll do. Cranberry, jalapeno, well, it stole my heart. Now my bag is almost empty and it's tearing me apart. So many kinds for you to choose if you wanna get rid of the shoe leather. If you wanna get rid of the shoe leather jerky blues.